Hey everyone, good morning. I know you guys have not seen us in a while. I'm at Cherry Beans Cafe with my sister and my nephew, and I am sick again. I've got a stuffy nose, I'm very feverish, coughing, chesty cough. But Siaosi, he's at the farm with my dad, my hardworking husband. So we're just here having some coffee with my little nephew. Oh!
Baby Cheeto. Whoops.
And a lot of you guys have asked if he's my son. No, he's not my son, he's my nephew, my sister's baby. Anyways, so on the menu, they have... Look at that piece of work. My tea came. I'm a little teapot, short and... Hi to Team Darnell!
Wait, what?
What?
Wait, what? What's happening?
Yeah, but Mommy was like, I'm Team Darnell.
No.
You know that other video how you were like, can there be a Team Darnell?
Oh, for that open challenge and stuff?
Yeah.
We come here to Woolies, buy something, but guys, you watching the games of Samoan versus Fiji Sevens? It's so nice. That game is so nice. And I'm so proud of my little brother score the last score for Samoa to win.
Hi guys! This is a cash. Hi Tomoy!
Hi.
Sakib and Arissa. Go and sit. Morning guys, it's Sunday and we're on our way to Darnell's game. I'm still not well. Yep, I'm still not well. My eyes are always tearing, I'm coughing really badly, so I think I've actually got the flu. Wait! So we're at the mall now. We just finished Darnell's game and they lost, but he did really well. He's really improving in his tackling. Siosi's been in there for like 40 minutes and he still hasn't gone to cut his hair. He said the line was pretty long, so he's just waiting. And I'm thinking, I've been waiting in the car for 40 minutes, but I'm thinking of going out there and looking for a present for my mum, because it's Mother's Day today, so happy Mother's Day to all you mamas out there. And yeah, it's a very unprepared last minute gift. I do apologize, Mummy, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm getting worse and worse. It rained at Darnell's game. I was wearing a cardigan and a scarf, and both which got completely drenched. I'm probably going to buy another scarf because mine got drenched. Oh, it's a bit thick, it's like a blanket.
Just finished cutting my hair. And now we come here to look for some presents for Mother's Day. Present for Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mummy.
Thank you.
Open it.
Wow.
Look inside the shoe, Mum. Other way. Oh, wow. Look at Mum. It's a nice, beautiful pendant.
Oh.
That's from me too! Oh, what a liar.
Thank you, Vicky and Siaosi.
Yeah. This was in the other shoe of Mom's. They're so pretty. Happy Mummy's Day. I don't know dinner.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think that's more or less it. Coco. Coco Samoa. So we just finished the game with South Africa and we lost, but I'm still super proud of the boys because they did well. Their defense was so good. So proud of you, Manu Samoa. But we have another game in about an hour's time and we're versing France. I'm still very sick. Don't mind the yelling in the background. We're watching rugby. Typical in a Samoan house when rugby is on. But I think probably going to end the vlog. I've just uploaded a video. So I'm just gonna pick. There's not many comments on it, but I'm just gonna pick one of the comments that are already there. And Danielle Cope. Hi Vic, I love your channel. Can you please do me a shout out? Loves you. So that's comment of the day, guys.
Shout out to my bro, Raymond Brown. Shout, what's up, Ruza? Enjoy your Sunday.
And last thing, we just want to give a massive shout out to Xavier and any.
Yeah, shout out, yeah.
Kasara.
What?
Kasara, you said Kasara.
Yeah, guys.
Kaisara.
Shout out.
Kaisara. Yes.
Shout out, sis. Miss our spot. Rugby time. We love you so much, guys. Thank you for liking and vlog and subscribing our vlogs. Thank you, guys.
And Siaosi said, Emmy, you can go to Malaysia lang, get a kupero ko inga.
And you can buy more ice from our shop. My Kelly.